So here we are back in position, and you can see the tire pressure monitoring system icon is on right now. That means we have to program the new valve pressure into the system. On the right side, there is the wiper lever, and on the upper side there is a button which you can push until you are at the icon for the TPMSI, tire pressure monitoring system. Yeah, and a little bit more. Here we are. So there it is. This is the icon set. And then what we are going to do is now we are going to program by using the OK button. The OK button, hold the OK button until the set is flashing, as you can see. So now the new pressure is stored well, and we can go back on the street with the right tire pressure. Good job, isn't it? So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.